Hello, this is Cooking with Mike B. It's still Sunday the 19th, 2025. The storm has finally started and it has gotten a lot colder from when I videotaped this morning. I mean, you can feel it. That awful wind is back. It's horrible. So, yeah, they said 1 to 3 inches today, and then overnight 3 to 5. So that means we're going to get well over a foot. So, yeah, just want to give an update that the snow storm has started. Oh my god. Oh, it's so colder right now out here than it was this morning. Oh, man, you can feel it, that wind. Oh. Alright, well, hope you're all staying safe, staying warm, staying hydrated. Please drink your water. It's very important. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.